Welcome back. For the second day in a row, it's the Nifty FMCG index which is doing well and outperforming. So yesterday, remember, we had quarterly updates coming in from Marico and Godrej Consumer, and both of them seem to suggest that the industry demand picked up on the margin for the sector in the December quarter, and that's fueling a rally. So Britannia is higher in trade yet again. That's up close to about 1%. ITC is gaining ground. That's higher by close to about 0.9%. Apart from that, life insurance companies are up and about. My colleague Surbi has been highlighting how life insurance companies are still trading about 10% away from their lifetime high levels. So HDFC Life, SBI Life for the last couple of days has been playing a bit of a catch-up. And then you've got strength in big boy Reliance Industries. So that's gaining in trade. On the losing side, IT is subdued, and Bajaj Finance and FinServ under pressure for the second day in a row. As we wrap up on Trading Hour, here is some promised market opinion coming in from Mark Mobius, founder at Mobius Capital Partners. Thank you for watching this show.
India has outperformed everybody else is an indication of the incredible growth that you're witnessing in India now, which will continue in this new year. I believe that we're in a very, very sweet spot when it comes to India. A lot of things are going well for the country compared to other parts of the world. And despite the fact that you have recession fears in the US, the reality is that oil prices are coming down, and this is very good for India. And also, the Indian economy is doing very well on the back of the reforms that Mr. Modi is putting in place. There are going to be tremendous opportunities this year, and I'm looking forward to continuing to invest, not only in India, but in Taiwan, in Korea, and across the world. We're gradually decreasing the amount in Taiwan and increasing the amount in India. But of course, these changes take time because we're not big traders. We're not in and out of the market on a daily basis. So what we do is we gradually increase positions we have and maybe add some positions in India, while in Taiwan we may subtract and reduce the amounts that we have in some of the companies in Taiwan. There are a number of software companies we're looking at. We're looking at healthcare again, and also some of the more interesting specialized tech companies, companies, for example, that are doing mapping, companies that are doing consumer surveys, that sort of thing. I think what's happened is that because of COVID, a lot of people thought that, these companies like Metropolis who are doing testing will do very, very well in a COVID environment. But then when the COVID is off the paper, then these companies will not do very well. So that's the reason why you've seen the decline.